Hi friends, today we are going to read this book about spiders. This one is called Super Spiders. And while I'm reading this book, I'm going to take notes on the important things that I hear in this book because we are going to take our notes and turn it into a spider writing. You're going to write all about spiders. So I have this paper on my wall right behind me, and it says spiders. And whenever I hear a fact about spiders, I'm gonna stop reading and I'm going to just write just a quick little couple words to help me remember. So then when it's time to write, I can go back and I can look at, it's called a graphic organizer. I can look at my graphic organizer and remember what I learned about spiders. So here we go with our story. It is called Super Spiders. Super Spiders by Jason Blake. Chapter 1. What is a spider? Spiders are creepy. Spiders are crawly. They are also very cool. Spiders have been around for a long time. They have been alive since the time of dinosaurs. Did you know that? Spiders belong to an animal group called arachnids. I think that's an important fact, is that they belong to the animal group called arachnids. So right here, I'm just going to draw a line and I'm going to write the word arachnids. So I can remember that they belong to the animal group called arachnids. Spiders are not insects. How are they different? Their bodies have 2 parts. Insects' bodies have 3 parts. How many body parts does a spider have? 2. That's important. I'm going to add that to my list right here. 2 body parts. Here's another difference. Insects have 6 legs. How many legs does a spider have? Of course, spiders have 8 legs. Now I have that on my fact chart too. Chapter 2, Spider Senses. Most spiders have 4 pairs of eyes. Add that up and you get 8 eyes. Even so, spiders don't see very well. Let's look at the picture. It's showing us, here's one set of eyes, another set, and then another set up here you can't really see. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So most spiders have 8 eyes, but not all spiders do. So I'll just write most have 8 eyes. Spiders use tiny hairs on their legs to hear and taste too, it says. Spiders don't have noses or ears. They smell through the little holes in their legs. That's really silly. I think I should add that to my chart. They smell through their legs. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the page. What else makes spiders special? They make silk. Silk is super strong. Many spiders use it to spin webs. So they make silk. Oops, I messed that up. Let's just S-I-L-K. They make silk. A lot of spiders use their sticky webs to catch flies and moths. Sometimes they wrap their bugs in silk to snack on later. Do you see that in the picture? It says a spider can eat up to 2,000 bugs in a year. I think that's really interesting. I want to add that too. Can eat 2,000 bugs a year. That is a lot of bugs. My goodness. Chapter 3, so many spiders. It says, fun fact, the Goliath spider is so big it can eat a bird. There are about 50,000 kinds of spiders in the world. Most spiders are small, but a few are very big. This one is the size of a dinner plate. Would you want a spider the size of your dinner plate in your house? No way. No, no, no way. Some spiders are bright colors. That allows them to crawl on flowers to hide. Can you spot the crab spider on this yellow flower? I thought that was interesting. We think of spiders, I usually think of them as brown or black, but they can be many different colors, can't they? I'm gonna say many different colors. Baby spiders are called spiderlings. Did you hear that fact? Baby spiders are called what? Spiderlings. Let's add that. I'm gonna flip over to this side so I can write a little bit better. So we have baby, and I'm just gonna draw a little line and then say spiderlings. Okay. Some spiders take care of their babies. This mother wolf spider carries them on her back. Some spiders can jump very far. You might even find this kind of spider in your own backyard. Take a look. It's called a jumping spiders. They can jump 50 times their own length of their body. 50 times the length of their own body. And that is the end of this story. So we learned in this story many different spider facts, and let's review them before we start writing. First, I'm going to put the cap on my marker. So I have spiders right here. Spiders are arachnids. They have 2 body parts. They have 8 legs. Most have 8 eyes. They have small holes on they smell through holes on their legs. The baby spiders are called spiderlings. There are many different colors, and they can eat up to 2,000 bugs a year. Spiders also make silk. So I have my graphic organizer of different spider facts up here. I want you to use the different things we just talked about with spiders, like that we wrote in our graphic organizer, and I want you to choose 2 things and write in your journal about them. So you can't just take this one and say 2 body parts. You need to turn these things into a sentence. So you could say, spiders have 2 body parts. Maybe you wanted to talk about the baby spiders are called spiderlings. I just have the words baby and spiderlings up here. So you could turn that into a sentence and say, baby spiders are called spiderlings. So take these facts that I just wrote a couple words for them and change them into a sentence that tells us about spiders. Make sure you write it in your journal, take a picture of it, and upload it to Seesaw so I can see. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.